So can you start? Dear student, can you start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
44. So I think if you have book with you, page number 195, 195, page number 195, page number 195, one line page 215, one line page 215. Okay. We are going to learn, already you know maybe, we are going to learn the binary search and linear search. Okay, searching algorithm, we are going to explain these two. We have to solve a math that comes from your first term exam. Okay, there will be a question from here. So linear search and binary search. Okay, dear student.
Okay, sir.
So can anyone explain what is linear search? What is the procedure? Can you say the procedure? Dear student.
So linear search is a sequential search method
Very
actually.
good. Very good. Sequential search. Then
Yes, sir. I mean, sir, for finding a
Search
element,
picking method.
for finding an element within a list, we can search it sequentially.
very good. If if
It's
if if
it
if the
checks.
if the searching element does not belongs,
Then, sir,
very
it
good. By this,
Then, sir,
yes,
we
sir.
cannot.
okay. Carry on. Carry on. Then we cannot buy it.
Then, sir, we cannot search in a linear search way. That means we cannot search sequentially.
Okay, Habib, Sakibul, Habib.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to add something?
No, sir. This is my talking like that, sir.
Sir, we will search it until we cannot find the element.
Suppose the element does not belongs, so we cannot search by linear, right? By it, according to
Yes,
your
yes, sir.
statement.
Yes, sir.
Now, Habib,
Yes, sir.
sure. Can you say something about linear search?
No, sir.
Minhaj, Minhaj.
Yes, sir.
So, what is linear search? Minhaj.
Hello, yeah, hello, sir.
Eh, I can hear you, Minhaj.
It's a, a search with sequential search that Rajit Bhai said already that I have to check each element of a list until the match is found.
So, suppose there is a list of elements. We can say it as an example. Suppose 13 number exercise. Uh, the list is 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, and we have to search. We have to search. We have to search 9, right? We have to search. So how can we search, right? So what is the algorithm says that? What is the algorithm says? Suppose this is a list of elements that you are telling, and definitely this is a sequential search. Suppose this is a list of elements.
Yes, sir.
This 3, 4, 5. This is a list of element, okay? And we have to search 9. So according to the linear search, suppose our searching element we are telling that is x equals to here 9, right? Because you are defined, this is a list. List means this is a array, right?
Yes, sir.
One dimensional array. So here that is the location, you know, it's 0. I mean, you can say its location is ARR0, right? First one.
Yes, sir.
Similarly,
ARR1.
ARR1, how many here? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11. So ARR
6.
6, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is a list of elements. So we have to search 9, and 9 is AR 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what is the procedure here? X, first X, that is linear search is related with array. Linear search, is it related with array?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Are you sure? I think maybe binary search that is related with array, or linear search also. We can store, right?
Sir, linear search is related to the array.
We can store as a one-dimensional array. We can deposit.
Yes, sir. Because every
Okay.
element has a store value, sir.
Store
Has a
value, so
address.
we can
That's why
address
it
value,
related
so
there.
we can print the address value, right? So now my question is, Sakibul Habib. So if does not found, if math does not found, so what you should display? What will be the location? Habib,
Yes, sir.
suppose we want to search 7. So what will be the result? How can
Sir,
he?
it store. It has not in this array. That's why it like that 0, sir, or
But
error, sir.
but it's array 0 size. There is a position that is 3.
Yes, sir. Like this, sir. It's error or storing
Error.
that. Yes, sir.
Hey. So you can say that is right. But this is relevant to binary, huh? Binary just address their position, location, right?
Yes, sir.
So directly linear search, individually you have to search. Linear search means, suppose you need to just compare. you need to compare each and every element with searching element, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
is our searching element, this x which is equals to 9, this is our searching element. So each and every this searching element, we have to compare each and every element with 9 until we get this exactly 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this one, we can say this is x1, we can say x2, x3, x4, x5, x x6, x7. Suppose if you consider. So this element first, this is x. Mr. Nazrul Islam, why you are late? This is searching. This is searching element. So we have to first compare x. I mean searching element with first element. So we have to compare. So x1 is equals to x or not. Whether this condition is true or not. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right, Farhan?
Yes, sir.
So first we have to compare. I mean time killing method. First we have to compare the searching element with x1, first element. We have to compare whether it is equal or not. So compare means, if we compare means, what? There are three conditions, right? In compare there are three conditions. Maybe equal, right? That is our object. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Compare between two things. Comparison between two things means maybe equal, two number may be greater, three number may be less. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Maybe it will be exactly that element
Yes, sir.
which is our
When
object.
yes, sir. When x1, x2, or x3 is like be assigning to x, then that's why it will be true, and it will be show that processor.
Yes. So each and every time we have to compare, right? We
Yes,
have
sir.
to check whether this first element is 9 or not. So we have to check, and we have to write something like this. So if we found this, then nothing to proceed, no need to proceed further next. We can print that the result is found, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But if if this violet, I mean this is not equal. So this is not equal means definitely we have to go to the next step, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next step we have to again compare the searching element x with 4, I mean x2, whether it is equal or not. We need to repeat this process, right? Under a loop or something like this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So net connection is very poor. Okay. Uh, so if 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 you declare array, if you declare array and the result suppose search 7, I mean searching element, if searching element does not belongs into that list, then you can just print a comment say okay, result is not found, right? Or the searching element does not belongs, or you can print anything, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
can print as your wish. But if you say it's 0, 0 means definitely or not. So no need to define array. If you print its address is 0, I mean 0, so no need to declare the array, right?
Yes, sir.
That depends on you, dear student. Huh? Whether are you declaring, you are solving this in terms of array or not. If you declare array and if you again say yes, result does not found, so it's 0. So 0 means definitely it's position 3, first element, right? So you can just print J does not found, right? does not found, that depends on you. But if you do not declare array, if you only just declare this, so then you can print yes is 0. So 0 means does not belongs. Actually this 0 or any other does not belongs. All these are defined terms, so you can define as a programmer, right? Do you understand? Can you get my point? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can.
Roman Afros, do you understand my point or not?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, maybe according to your book, there is no array for searching linear, right? Only just they declare this, assigning this value. I mean x1, x2, x2, or something like this, and that's why they display 0. If if the searching element does not belong, then just print 0. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
But as a programmer, you can define.
Yes, sir.
As a programmer, you can write. You can write anything because this is a defined term. So you can define 0 or any other language. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So searching element means searching element. So if the searching element belongs at the beginning, so it will take few minutes. If you execute this program, it will take a simple minute, right? Execution time that will be very, very short. Do you understand? Do you understand, dear student?
Yes, sir.
So if you search like 3, its execution time may be 0.0000 second, for searching 3, because it's only execution time, no need to check. The compiler never it will check, compare this one, because already we have found 3, right? So if the searching element belongs at the beginning of the list, that time this is very good. But if the searching element belongs at the end of the list, I mean 11, instead of 3 or 9, if we search 11, so how many execution? There are so many execution line. First this one. You have to compare each and every element, so it will take more time. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it will take more time to print, to found, or to search 11, right? So this is the time killing method. If you search a searching element and if it does not belongs or belongs at the end of the list, if the searching element does not belongs or belongs at the end of the list, so it will take more time. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
I
sir.
mean time complexity, it's more huge. Have you heard the name of Big O?
Yes. Yes,
Big
sir.
O.
Yes, sir.
So its time complexity will be more, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
We'll describe this one. Yes,
okay,
yes,
sir.
Habib. Habib, do you have any question?
Hello, sir. Can you
Huh.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear
Abar
you.
gেছে।
Habib, I can hear you. Sakibul Habib.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Huh.
sir, in this situation, linear search and binary search, there is binary search there is less than time consuming, there is time complexity is reduced, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. In this for the reason that in the reason.
yes. Because binary search, you are going to half it, right? So maybe 50% execution, that is automatically it will less, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think we'll explain later big O, and we are going to solve problem that is big O 11, not omega and theta, only big O. Yes, Minhaj. Minhaj.
Sorry, sir. Miss.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, Farhan.
Sir, do we have to show the answer in the sir array way, or the explain the or what is explained in the book in that way, sir, in the exam, sir?
So your book explain only the list, not in array, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, Farhan?
Yes, yes, sir.
By mistake, I have just introduced this one. That's why I am telling, as a programmer, you can introduce or you can explain in terms of array or only a normal list by declaring for loop or any other loop to deposit this. Like for Farhan.
Yes, sir.
So according to your book, there is no array, only define this one. I mean x1, x2, x3, x4 or x5. Okay, I mean
Yes,
I1, I2, something like this. Do you understand,
yes,
Farhan?
yes, sir. I understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
So you can just write like this way, and you can print the if 0, then you can say 0 means does not belongs, right, Farhan?
Yes, sir.
But if you declare array, and again if you say its location is 0, but 0 means there is a position, there is element 3, right? Its
Yes,
value
sir.
is 3.
Yes, sir.
That's why you should not print 0. You should write language that does not match.
Yes, sir. I get it, sir.
That's 2 point I am just explaining. Okay,
Okay, sir.
because by the mistake I have just introduced this one. That's why. But as a programmer, you can introduce maybe array or without array you can write program, right?
Yes, sir.
And since this is one-dimensional array, so it's not difficult. Instead of this,
Yes,
you
sir.
can use for loop or single loop. You can use it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now coming to the binary search, I think already you know binary search is important. There will be a question from binary search, so you should. So binary search. So suppose you have to search 9, right? Our searching element is 9. Searching element is 9, okay? So what is the procedure? Can anyone say what is binary search? How can you binary search? Any of you? Can you help us? Binary
Sir,
search?
yes, sir. Sir, binary search basically it compares to target value to middle element of the array, sir. That type of thing.
Very good. I think at the linear search, we are comparing each element with searching element, right? I mean target element.
Yes, sir.
But in binary search, we have to compare searching element or target element with mid value. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So we have to just in binary search, we have to compare. We have to compare searching element with mid value. I mean midpoint, right? So for this region, you need to declare a array, right? Here ARR6. So here n equals to what? N equals to How many number? How many arguments?
Sir, 700.
7, sir.
7. So n equals to what? 6, right?
Yes, sir.
N equals to 6. N equals to 6 here. So here left. This side is left side, right?
Yes,
According to
sir.
your book, this is called left. I mean initial. Left means what? Left means initial.
Initial value.
Huh? Initial value. Okay. Right. Right. Right means ending value, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And mid value. Which one is mid value? This one cancel since there are 7. So 2, 3. So this one is the mid value, right?
6.
This is the mid value or midpoint. Okay. Mid value is 6. So here instead of telling, since we have to declare array, we are introducing array. So instead of telling left or initial, you can say left means ARR at the beginning, ARR 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Right or ending or terminal, right side or ending or terminal, that is here ARR n. N equals to here 6, right?
Yes, sir.
What about the mid value? Mid value.
Sir, 6, index number 4.
So its index. What is the index?
3,
2,
sir.
3, right? It's
Okay,
ARR
sir, 2. Yes.
3, right?
Yes, sir.
ARR 3. That is the mid value. What is the procedure? Procedure is something like this. Suppose we are searching 9. We are searching 9. So here left, right, and mid value you have to find by declaring this one. Dear student, I am just sharing my experience, nothing else. I know all of you are good. Listen carefully. Listen. I think all of you are very, very good. But this is very easy thing. So maybe as a side note, when you answer these types of question, as a side note, you can just keep a note so that you can just easily identify which one is 1 or which one is RR2 or 3 or something like this. You
Yes,
understand?
sir. We can write it address value.
Yeah, you should write the address value, I mean in terms of array. So you can write here, maybe you are writing ARR3, but instead of telling 6, you have write maybe this or this. I have found this, okay? When I check the script, and that time there is nothing here, and maybe ARR3 instead of writing 6, some student written maybe 5 or 8, or maybe there is a missing something like this. So I think this is very easy thing. You can write for your simplicity so that you can easily identify which one is RR4. You have written here concluding reason ARR3. So mid value ARR3 means what? ARR3 means 6. But instead of writing 6, some of the student you have written maybe ARR3 equals to maybe 8. Do you understand? By slip of something, maybe there is a chance. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
আপনারা কি আমাকে বুঝছেন? আমি পরীক্ষার খাতায় দেখলে এরকম ভুল পাই আমি কিছু, সেগুলো আপনার সাথে শেয়ার করতেছি। ওকে? And another when I check your script quiz test, I think all are equivalent, right? All are equivalent or tautology, right? তাই না?
Yes.
All are true.
Yes, sir.
All are
Yes, sir. We can
true.
call it.
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ, all are true. So when I check your script, I don't know how can you write because you are at the university student. এরকম লিখে রাখেন all are true. All are true. আপনি লিখে রাখছেন all one true. By slip of or maybe copying. কোনটা বুঝবেন? As an instructor যদি বলা হয় you are now instructor. So if some of student written all one true এবং অনেকেই লিখে all are true, so কি বোঝা যাবে?
Sir, I think there will be wrong something, sir.
Okay, definitely wrong. So which one is wrong? By mistake? By mistake wrong? Or maybe doing any other cheating like this? Maybe there's some copying. Habib?
Sir, I think they're cheating, sir. Because, sir,
হ্যাঁ,
who knows the definition and who knows that thing, there will he can or she can be right are not one.
but I have found some script. I circle this one. How can you write one? These are right. I think maybe some of the students pass their script to their friend, and that's why it's so. Anyway, coming to the point. Now, dear student, coming to the point. Here, ARR 0, ARR 0, mid value. So, how can you find mid value? How can
Sir,
you find mid value?
Sir, first number and last number plus divided by 2. মানে আইটেম
First
স্যার
number?
যেটা স্যার আমরা ধরবো স্যার এখানে 9 0 ধরছি দেন স্যার মানে এর যে নাম্বারগুলো আছে স্যার এই যে ইনডেক্স নাম্বার ওটা স্যার দুইটা প্লাস করব আর ডিভাইডেড বাই 2
হ্যাঁ, ARR 0. How to find the mid value? Mid
Sir.
value is equals to what? What is the formula?
Lower value plus upper value by 2.
Yes, sir.
Lower value, upper value by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So lower value, what is lower value? 11, 3,
3 and 11, sir.
3, sir.
3 and 11, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is the point?
7.
7.
7, right?
Yes, sir.
Seven.
Yes, sir.
But Romana, we are dealing its index. We are working with the arrays. I mean address value, right?
স্যার এখানে তো ইনডেক্স দিয়ে স্যার হবে স্যার আপার ভ্যালু লোয়ার ভ্যালু দিয়ে তো স্যার হবে না
Yes, that is the point. So we have to deal with their index. I mean 0 and 6, right?
ইয়েস স্যার
Yes, sir.
So it's 3. It's 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's 3. It's 3 means mid value, that is ARR3, which is 6, right?
Yes, sir.
We found that is what is the mid value. Next step, we have to compare. We know what is initial, what is terminal, what is mid value, we know. So ARR3 means 6. Now we have to compare our searching element with 6, right? Whether it is equal or not. Then we are searching. We have divide. This is our list. We have divide. Right? We have divide. we have found this is our mid value, right? So after finding mid value, then we are comparing whether this mid value is equals to or not.
Yes, sir.
So we at the beginning, at the first step, we have searched this. I mean 6 we have compared, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So 6 we have done. Now we are comparing. So 9. So our searching element, searching
Element is 9.
element is 9. Our mid value is 6. Now we are comparing. This is definitely not equal. So not equal means maybe it will be greater or less, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So since the searching element is greater, since the searching element is greater than mid value,
Yes, sir.
or you can say the searching element, the mid value is less than searching element, you can say it, right?
Yes, sir. So
So
yes, sir, I have a one confusion, sir. Then our searching element is less than mid value, then it will be gonna right, and then when our searching element is greater than that value, then it will be go left, sir.
yes.
Am I right, sir?
So yes. So since our searching element is greater than mid value, this is our mid value, right? Our searching element is 9. So definitely, since searching element is greater than mid value, so definitely our searching element that definitely belongs to the right part, right?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand or not?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, Baiji?
Sir, if our list value is even, then how we find our mid value?
Okay, I'm coming later.
0.5 এর বেশি গেলে বড় সংখ্যা।
I'm coming later. And next, it will be
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes.
Easily it will be solved. Okay, Baiji, wait. So if the searching element is greater than mid value, we are searching 9 and we have found mid value is 6. So our searching element is greater than mid value, right? So definitely this searching element is belongs to the right part. Is it right or not?
Sir,
Do you understand? Simple
what
logic.
if, sir,
Hey,
what if
Ruhul?
the array is not sorted from ascending or descending order? If the elements are shuffled like 3, 9, 2, 1, when how it will work? Like now we can understand that if the mid value is
Okay, that is
less
the
than,
precondition. Ruhul, thank you for your question, Ruhul. This is the precondition. So if you want to use binary search, so your list must be in the ascending order or descending
sir.
order, any order. You must have to maintain the order. Do you
Serial.
understand, Ruhul?
oh, okay,
This
sir.
is the
Okay.
precondition. When you want to use binary search or linear search, definitely, and you are telling that is a sequence.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Your first definition, when I ask you the linear search, you are telling this is the sequential, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you
Yes, sir.
understand? Sequential means, this is a very good mathematical term, sequence. Sequence means definitely in ascending order or descending order, not randomly, not like shuffle here, maybe ascending or descending, not like this.
Randomly
You
এগুলো হচ্ছে স্যার
understand?
ডাবল শর্ট।
It's gonna step by step.
Huh. Sequence means definitely it must have to maintain, maybe it's increasing or maybe decreasing, right, Ruhul?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes,
So
sir. I got it.
you must have to satisfy this condition, not yeah. If you want to use these two searching, okay. Now coming to the point here, 6 is the mid value, searching element is 9. So definitely the asking value, searching element or target value definitely lined on the right point, right? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So if the searching element is belongs to the left side, I mean is less than the mid value, less than mid value. We are searching like like 4. Suppose we are searching 4, so 4 mid value is 6, so 4, our searching element is 4, so definitely that lie on the left part, right? Do you understand the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now coming to this question, coming to this exactly this question, since our searching element is 9 greater than mid value, so we have to move to the right part, right?
Yes, sir.
Right or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
It's right.
so we have to eliminate the left part. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We have to eliminate the left part. Is it clear? Just after the first iteration or first step, we will get this sequence, right?
Yes, sir.
We will get this sequence. Dear student, again you have to find out next step. You have to find out the mid value, right? From here,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
since already you have checked 6, already you have compared, right?
Yes, sir. Already it's compared, sir. Then
Already we have compared, right?
Yes, sir.
So you cannot say this is the initial value. For next step, you cannot say this is the because already you have done it.
Initial বের করতে হবে স্যার
So initial, how can you find out initial? So initial will be mid plus 1.
Yes.
That will be initial. Just look at the graph. That will be initial, right?
Yes, sir.
So you need to update the initial point. Just after the first iteration, you need to update the initial point. So how can you update the initial point? So initial now this left part, what will be the left part? Left part will be mid plus 1, right?
yes sir mid plus 1
So mid that was 3. Mid that was 3. So mid plus 1. Mid
স্যার
plus
এখানে তো
1.
মিড প্লাস 1 হবে না স্যার
হ্যাঁ
স্যার এটা তো মানে সার্চিং ভ্যালু থেকে স্যার যখন স্যার আইটেম ও ঠিক আছে স্যার সরি ঠিক আছে
Sahin, we are
Sir,
just
ঠিক
left
আছে।
and right we
Yes, sir,
know.
yes sir yes sir
Huh?
yes sir
We are
My
just
mistake,
again repeating the process. First step. We are again
yes.
repeating, updating some data, right?
স্যার আমি ওই যে দুইটা কন্ডিশন আছে স্যার আমি উল্টা পাল্টা করে ফেলছিলাম ঠিক আছে স্যার
Okay. So left part that will be left according
Yes,
to
sir.
the figure. This will be left initial. Right? Na?
yes sir
Right here definitely exactly same.
mid
At
plus 1
first
divided by
iteration right. First iteration right 6. Here also 6, right?
yes sir
But you need to update this initial. Initial at the beginning that was 3.
yes sir
Initial that was 3. Now initial will be 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Right sign.
yes sir
So here initial. So how can you get 8? 8 means there is mid plus 1. I mean 3, 4th position. What is the
Yes,
address? Index number 4,
8
right?
8 sir
4. Index number 4, right?
yes sir
So 4, how can you get 4? So this plus 1. So this plus 1 is equals to left. So here, now this is the left.
yes
Left equals to,
so mid plus 1 that means 4
mid plus 1 means left equals to what? Here 8. 8 is the left. I mean initial value, right?
yes sir
Now, initial, this is the terminal.
yes sir that
So-
means 4 plus 6
So
Divided by
4
plus 6
plus 6
divided
divide
by
2. So fifth which is 9, right?
2 then okay sir stop
Then we should stop.
stop
Because we have found our target value, right?
yes sir
Our subject value that is already found. So we need to stop it, right? Now coming to the Bayezid question. Bayezid, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Bayezid, suppose there are 4 elements, right, Bayezid?
Yes, sir.
Now question is which one we should consider as a mid,
Yes, sir.
right, Bayezid? Your question may be which one we should consider as a mid.
Yes, sir.
Because so here if there are 4 elements, it's 4 elements. So here 0 plus
So 0
Which
plus
one?
3.
0
divided
plus
by 2.
3. So its result is 1.5, right, Baijit? Right, Baijit?
Yes, sir.
So mid is 1.5, right, Baijit?
Yes, sir. 1.5.
Now, as a programmer, and you know, as a programmer, what is 1.5? Here 3 means what? 3 means what? You have find out this mid value 3. 3 means what? You are dealing this value or its addressing value in index.
Yes, sir. Index.
Index, right, Baijit?
Yes, sir. Index.
So, Baijit, you know, since all these are index, so is there any chance, Baijit, it will be fraction? I mean 1.5, 1.1, 1.2. Is there any chance? Did you see anything?
No, sir.
Your entire life? Did you see anything that is index number is fraction?
No, sir. No.
So what is index number, Baijit? Integer number, not
Yes,
floating
sir.
number.
Integer, not float.
Okay, not float. So integer number. Since you are telling index number is integer, so Baijit, what is the integer of 1.5?
Sir, we can consider as a 2.
Okay, Baijit. Okay, Baijit. I am asking your integer, right? I am asking integer
Yes, sir.
here
1.
1.5. I am
Yes, sir.
asking
1
what is the
integer.
integer value or what is the integer value of 1.5?
1.
Its value is 1, definitely 1. So
Yes, sir.
if you say 2, so there is another thing. There is another thing that is floor or scaling function, right? Have you heard this name?
Sir, which function?
Floor function, floor. Floor function or scaling function. Have you heard this name? মানে আমরা সব কখনো নিচেরটা নিব, কখনোটা উপরেরটা নিব, কখনো রাউন্ড or something like.
Yes, sir.
But not integer does not maintain this rule, right, Baijit?
Yes, sir. Only
So which one
integer.
you should now which one we should consider as a mid value? Which one? This one or this one?
Sir, index 1. That means 8.
Definitely, you must have to consider 8 as a mid value. Did you get
Yes,
your
sir, got
result,
it.
Baijit?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Is any question? Do you have any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So just our time is সময় শেষ. We have to take attendance. I'm sorry, একটু আমাকে মনে করাই দিবেন. আপনাদের কিছু হোমওয়ার্ক দিব, আপনারা দেখবেন, হ্যাঁ?
ওকে স্যার। স্যার বাট আজকে
আপনার
ক্লাসটা মজা লাগতেছিল, এই জন্য টাইমের কথা বলিনি।
সময় চলে গেছে, আমি খেয়াল করি নাই, সরি। আপনাদের ক্লাস হচ্ছে
No problem, sir.
একটু মাঝে মাঝে বইলেন, না হলে আবার
সমস্যা নেই, এখন
ক্রস করে
আছে
যায়।
স্যার, ক্লাসে গ্যাপ আছে 10 মিনিট।
আপনারা কি বুঝতেছেন নাকি কঠিন হচ্ছে?
না স্যার, বুঝতেছি।
স্যার ইটস মাচ মোর ইজিয়ার স্যার।
আর রেকর্ডিং ভিডিও তো আছে স্যার, কখনো মানে প্রবলেম হলে আবার ভিডিও দেখতে পাবো।
কালকে রেকর্ডিংটা বোধহয় দেওয়া হয় নাই। আমার এলাকায় নেটের প্রচুর
Yes,
সমস্যা,
sir. Okay, go ahead.
প্রচন্ড নেটের প্রবলেম। ইনশাল্লাহ আজকে দিয়ে দিব। আপনারা না বুঝতে পারলে প্লিজ কোশ্চেন করবেন।
ইয়েস স্যার।
আয়েশা তাসনিম রিক্তা,
Yes, sir.
আসাদুজ্জামান আশিক,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
মেহেদী হাসান মুন্না।
ইয়েস স্যার।
মুন্না,
ইয়েস স্যার।
তুমি তো আর কোশ্চেন করো না কেন?
স্যার আমি একটু মানে ইয়ার ভিতরে তো স্যার, এই জন্য গতকাল ক্লাসে অ্যাটেন্ড করতে পারিনি।
হাদিউজ্জামান, হাদিউজ্জামান,
Yes, sir.
সেলিম হোসাইন সোহাগ,
Yes, sir.
সাকিবুল্লাহ মিয়ান,
Present, please.
মশিউর রহমান,
Yes, sir.
আব্দুল্লাহ আল মাহাদি হাসান সোহাগ,
Yes, sir.
ইসরাফিল হোসাইন,
Present, sir.
শাহাদাতুল্লাহ নাইম,
Yes, sir.
আনিকা বুশরা, নিয়াজ মোরশেদ,
Yes, sir.
হুসাইন এমডি সাফাত,
Yes, sir.
হুসাইন মন্নি বিশ্বাস, মন্নি বিশ্বাস, নজরুল ইসলাম,
Yes, sir.
এমডি নজরুল, রেদওয়ান আহমেদ রাতুল,
Yes, sir.
শেখ মোহাম্মদ সাদিকুল ইসলাম,
Yes, sir.
ইমতিয়াজ হোসাইন রাফি,
Yes, sir.
তানজুম আক্তার,
Yes, sir.
জুলিয়ানা তনু,
Present, sir.
ফারজানা তানিয়া,
Yes, sir.
ইসরাত জাহান ইরা,
Yes, sir.
আব্দুল খালেক,
Yes, sir.
ওকে উম্মে হানি
Sir, Abdul Khalid
কমা,
present.
হ্যাঁ আব্দুল খালেক,
Sir.
অনিক পল,
Yes, sir.
এমডি শাহিন ইকবাল, ফারজান আক্তার হিমা,
Present, sir.
রায়দা ফাইরুজ নাসরা, রায়দা, লুবনা আক্তার,
Present, sir. Sir, Raida Fire is present.
রায়দা প্রেজেন্ট, লুবনা প্রেজেন্ট, লুবনা,
Sir, she joined, sir. Maybe she has some network issue, sir.
ওকে সাবরিনা প্রেজেন্ট, ইসরাত জাহান লিমা,
Just she has written in the chat box, sir. She is facing net problem.
ওকে আব্দুল লতিফ তালুকদার,
Yes, sir.
শান্তা চৌধুরী,
Yes, sir.
রাহাতিল
Yes, sir.
মাহমুদা,
Sir, Romana Feroz.
মশিউর রহমান, নাহিদা ইসলাম, হুমায়ুন কবির,
Sir, Humayun Kabir has some network issues, sir.
ওকে খন্দকার সাকিবুল হাবিব,
Yes, sir, present, sir.
সঞ্জিদা খান মিতু,
Yes, sir.
অর্চিতা রয়,
Yes, sir.
সুমাইয়া ইসলাম শান্তা,
Yes, sir.
ফারিয়া শারমিন প্রেজেন্ট, সিহাব সারোয়ার
Sir, he is present. Maybe got disconnected, sir.
প্রেজেন্ট, ওকে জোবায়ের ইসলাম, জোবায়ের হোসাইন, So okay, thank you, dear students.
So Shaheen Hassan is present.
Shine, I know you are present. So thank you, dear student. Thank you for
sir.
Thank you for joining class.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum